In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Banco popular account on PC. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in popular.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Banco Popular. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, sign in to Mi Banco. Now you'll be led to the official login page. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your username. Click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forgot your username and recover it. Now after you enter the username, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password. After you enter your password, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Banco Popular account on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.